Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP and MySQL series, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how we can insert the image that is currently stored in our super global $_ files, and we will learn to insert it in a folder. Suppose I will create a folder here like uploads, and we will insert our this image to this folder on our server, and similarly we can also save this image to our database. So let me show you how we are going to do that. First of all, open your browser, and here I'm going to type localhost/AJAX. So this is our basically current form, and if I type here something like this, and if I also press right click and inspect and add this position in the network, we can see our AJAX request. So I'm going to select an image from here, and as we know that this part was done by us in the previous video, and when I will click on the submit button, you can see that this is our request. So when I will click on this, basically this is our array that contain our image, and this is our array which is printing our email and password that we have inserted at this position. So basically you have to do one thing. First of all, we need directory. I means where you want to save your image. In my case, that is uploads. Here I will press /, let me press semicolon. Similarly, we have to do one more thing, is target directory, because we also have to assign a name to our image. So I want to assign the name that will be user's file original name. Suppose currently I am uploading this image, so I will use this name. So what I will do, I will type here $_files and our image key, which is currently profile_image, and similarly I will press here single quotes. From here I will copy this name and paste at this position, press semicolon, and similarly before this target directory we have to type directory, and we can concatenate this like this. Okay, and in the last we have to use the move uploaded file PHP built-in function. It will accept two parameters. The first one would be temp name, tmp_name is equal to $_files. We have, first of all, we have to copy this profile image and paste here, and secondly we have to copy this tmp_name key. Basically our image is stored temporarily in a folder, so this is the address of that place in our server. So similarly I will type here temp name, press semicolon, and now we have to pass our these two parameters. The first one would be target directory, and the second one would be temp name. Here I will press the semicolon, and first of all currently you can see that our folder is empty. Now I will again press submit button. Before this I will delete this one from here, submit. Now you can see that a request is sent, and now let me check. Okay, no image is uploaded. So I have figured out the problem from my code. Basically we have to copy this parameter and pass is it as a first parameter, and the second parameter would be our target directory. Now let me again click on submit. Let me check here. So you can see that our image is in uploads folder. So the problem was here, basically we need to copy this temp name and paste at this position, pass as a first parameter. So this temp name will be first parameter, and this target directory variable that we create with our file name plus directory where we want to save the image. By using these two variables we have make our target directory, and it will pass as a second parameter. So currently we have uploaded our file, and in the last what we have to do, we have to open here like localhost/phpMyAdmin. As you know, our database name was FindGap, and here I will click on tbl_students, click on structure, click on go, and here search for like profile_image. Its type would be text. By default its value would be null, and now I will press here save button. So now you can see that we have create another field here. I will just simply copy this, and we need to type here like this. I will type my column name here, which is profile underscore image, and at this position we have to type create here another variable like file name is equal to, and we can get the file name easily by this sequence. From here simply I will copy my file name, paste here, and now our image will be also uploaded to our database. Basically we did not upload the image directly, we save our image in a folder. We can make its name unique. Currently maybe if user will try to upload same images both time, the second image will be override this picture, but still we can use the technique to override, to avoid from override. Maybe you can use here a time function to give file name to your image, and by using that technique we can make our image name unique. But currently what will be happen, we are saving our image on our server, and the name of that image will be stored in our database in this column. So first of all let me show you how this will be happen. First of all I will refresh my page. Here I will type a dummy email and a password. From here I will select an image, click here open, and now I will submit. When I will click on this request, there is an error. Okay, we have to use single quotes around our this file name variable. This was the error. Now let me again refresh this, so you can see that this time error is not occurred. And if I open my php myadmin and click on browse, and if I select here primary descending, so this is the last record that we have inserted, our name, password, and the gig picture. So you can see that this was the image name that we have stored in our database. Now the question is how we can retrieve this image. That is pretty simple. As you know that this is our column name which contain the image name. Now simply open the fetch.php, and here what we can do, we can echo here one more thing, like I will type here image tag like this, and in the source section what we have to do, I will simply type here because we are using double quotes around here, that's why I will use single quotes inside this, and here I will type uploads and /$row. We can concatenate this like this. So basically we are just concatenating. From here I will copy my this variable from here and paste at this position, and from here we have to copy our column name and paste at this position like this. And we can define some attributes like height is equal to 100 pixel, or here we have to type again single quotes not double quotes, and we can use the width attribute. Our height will be auto, so we can also define here a height attribute like height is equal to auto. Now let me refresh this, and if I load data, nothing happened. So here we have made a mistake. Before this img tag we have to use the td table data tag as well in the starting point here and in the ending point as well, like this. Okay, we are already using that here. I will cut this from here and paste this at this position, and now let me refresh, so you can see that. So this was the image that was uploaded by us. Now let me again upload another record, like suppose if I insert here like cubic soul and a password like 12345 I will select an image, I will select a different image. So suppose I want to upload this image, I will simply select this image, click on open, and now submit. Currently you can see that nothing happened, but when I will click load data, our latest data will be loaded with our image, and as you can see that the image is also inserted in our uploads folder, and also you can see that the image name is also inserted in our php myadmin database. So friends, this was the technique that how we can insert an image from AJAX request to our server using PHP and MySQL. And the benefit to use that, your page will not be refreshed and your website will be smooth, and user will not able to know that what is happening behind the scenes. You can use JavaScript to do operations instead of refreshing your page. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.